Dashcam A1 Pro. So today we're going to overview the buttons in the memory. Very important. Let's do that right now. All right, in this part we're going to be talking about the memory. Now the camera is a 4K camera. That means require a lot of speed for recording. So you need to match that with a good memory. Like if we saw in instructions, so there's a lot of fake memories up there, right? So you have to make sure you use the right memory. In my case, I'm going to be using the Evo Select. Now the nice thing on this type of memory, it requires speed over 130 megabits per second. That's perfect. In this case, I'm going to use it 128 megabits. You can use 32, 64, 128, and 256. So let me show you the format and the installation right into the camera. All right, in this case, that's what I'm going to be using, 128, right? That we don't need to use that. So we look at the installation, right? This way. Now look at the chip side, and that's going to be pointing to the screen side. I'm going to put it right here, and we're going to push it all the way down until you feel the click. You will feel the click. You go down, you can even hear that, and it's locked all the way in. Very important, all the way down. So now we install the memory. Now I'm going to apply power, and let me show you the first message. All right, so let's pull power. Imagine you just turn on the engine of your car, the ignition. And as you see, we need to format the car. So we're going to go and we say yes. So we have the navigation button right over here. So we navigate to yes. There. We have the OK button right over there. All right, so we navigate with the arrow down and OK, and then we're going to press right there. Please wait. And now we format the car. If we look and pick on the left side where it says recording, we see the little dot right now blinking every second. The camera is actually recording right now. So we format the car and it's ready to use. In this section, I'm going to explain how to navigate through the menus and understand the buttons. All right, so we are on the video settings. Here, you're going to change the resolution. You're going to be changing the loop format. If you want like the timestamp into the video, lens display, and all that right here. If I press one more time, then I'm going to go into the settings. Settings will be now my Wi-Fi, enter my lens display, set up the day and time, and format the car, or a screensaver. That will be there. All right. If we press one more time, we are again on the main screen. Now, how we change it from video, picture, and play format? Very simple. You're going to hold the button now for an extra second. You're not going to release it. So pay attention to this. I'm going to hold it. And now we are in the picture mode. Picture mode. I'm going to hold it, not release it. And now we are on play mode. So I can play my videos and then hold it once again. And now we are on the video format. All right. Pretty simple. Right here, or I press the OK button, or if I turn it off the camera, turn on, again, we'll start recording. So if you see, it's pretty simple to navigate through the menu. The very important here is, if you want the configuration, you're going to press just a second and you go into the configuration and the settings. If you hold an extra second, then you navigate now into the play, picture mode, or video mode. Always by default, it will go into the video mode no matter what. All right, I'll see you next time.